Hi, welcome to Intube. In this video, I will explain the steps which I have followed to complete this painting. Size of the canvas is 11-inch width and 14-inch height. And this canvas is pre-coated with the titanium white. I am going to do the Thiruvalluvar statue painting. This real statue is located at the southern tip of India. The name of the place is called Kanyakumari, which is in Tamil Nadu state. First, I made the rough sketch using the graphite pencil on a canvas. This painting is done using acrylic paint. I have used 4 acrylic color, cadmium yellow deep hue for the main statue, and for the borders I used the burnt sienna. For the background I used the cobalt blue and mixed with white. I used the flat brush number 12 to paint the background using the cobalt blue and the white mix. I have used the flat brush number 1 to paint the background around the statue. To paint the main statue area, I used yellow mixed with white. And for the statue borders, I used the burnt sienna. Mix of yellow and the burnt sienna has been used closer to the borders. the eyes, nose, and the lips and the hair, I used only burnt sienna. He is a very famous Tamil poet and the philosopher. He is the author of one of the ancient Tamil work called Thirukural. Thirukural has been translated into at least 40 Indian and non-Indian languages, making it one of the most translated ancient books. To know more about him and also about his work, refer the link which I gave in the description. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, try to subscribe and share.